Okay, now I got to show you how to do the AutoCAD part of this to clean that DXF file up for the sign shop and make a PDF of it. So I'm going to open a file. I've got AutoCAD open, open a file, and I got to go find it, and I got to go down here. I don't want a drawing file, I want a DXF file. So let's go see if I can find one. It's around here somewhere. 320 Spring, Florinda, and it's in here. There it is. There's my DXF file. So let's open that thing up. Now, you got to know a little bit about AutoCAD here to get this part done. First, I'm going to double click the mouse wheel. Double click, and that shows everything. Okay? So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to look and see what layers are in here. There's an annotation, a boundary, a frame. I can turn the frame off, turn it on. See how that all changed? Okay. And I'm going to change the frame. First, I'm going to make sure that all of these, everything, is listed as by layer. Cool. Okay, and now if I want my frame to be a certain color, I'm going to make my frame yellow. Cool. And I'm going to make my annotations red. And now my boundaries, I'm going to make all of those cyan. There. Now I'm really seeing most of everything. Now, I have to clean this up. See that awful looking thing? I don't need that. If I left click in the upper left, let it my buttons go, move it down to the bottom right, click. It selects all that stuff. Delete. Then I have to connect it. Grab, get the end, over to the end. There we go. And I've got my thing on. Okay, so that was one way of cleaning things up. I just want to get this as cleaned up as I can get. Okay, so now the next thing is I got to get rid of all of the annotations except the numbers. So now I'm going to go click lower right, move it up till I've crossed a whole bunch of stuff, click, delete. Lower right to upper left, click, delete. So I'm just going through and I'm cleaning up, cleaning up, cleaning up. And this is going to take a while. So I'm going to stop the recording right now, finish cleaning this up. I'm leaving the numbers. See that I'm leaving the numbers. And this just takes a good amount of time. See this little one up here? Ooh, sometimes you got to zoom way in, get stuff. If I go upper left to lower right, it only picks things all the way in the box. If I go lower right to upper left, it gets everything that touches the box. Okay, so that should give you a little bit of a hint on how it goes. That's my starting point, and this is the first part of cleanup.